MCA, my wife showed her true colors. My wife cheated after 9 years of marriage. I have loved her so much that I forgot she was not perfect. I, 32 million, just found out my wife, 31F, had been cheating. 8 taon na kaming married, and the third party was never an issue. Okay kami as husband and wife. We both earn enough to support our needs and wants. Active din ang aming life. Until I discovered, when I checked her old phone, she said she was not using anymore. Nakalogin pala dun yung isang FB account niya na she was using in flirting. There was this guy she met online na sobrang crush niya. He's quite an older guy, an athlete, and an accomplished architect. So nasa same field ng wife ko. Nag-uusap sila about their work. Okay naman yung simula ng convo until this guy was already giving comments sa mga sexy photos na pinopost ni wifey sa IG, calling her sexy and hot, which made me feel uncomfy. Then, the next convos, di ko na kinaya. Naging mas mainit na yung convo nila. And my wife started to send her nudes. I was unaware that she had those photos. There were even videos of her teasing the guy. Then, the guy started to invite her over sa hotel niya. My wife refused a couple of times, pero mapilit si guy until my wife said, okay. The guy was also sending his naked photos. I was shook, di ko alam gagawin ko. So nag-ipon ako ng lakas ng loob until I was ready to confront her. Sinabi niya na nagkita nga sila and nag-coffee lang, but never may nangyari kasi daw nakonsensya siya. By the way, we have 2 kids na. And I admit, my wife is still very attractive. Mataas ang sumas drive niya, same with me, but I guess I am not that attractive. Kaya naghanap siya ng someone better. She was very sorry and nag-promise na di na niya uulitin. She deleted their convo and deactivated the account. It's been almost a month since it happened. Just the other night, while the kids were sleeping, I told her I would go out saglit to buy something from 7-Eleven. And sinabi ko, magtatagal ako kasi diretso na ako magpapagas ng sasakyan. She was in our room alone kasi may sariling room yung 2 kids. Umuwi agad ako kasi I decided na ipagpabukas na yung pagpapagas. Nakalimutan niyang ilock yung pinto and nakita ko siya pleasuring herself using her Vibar while looking at the guy's photos. Nakatalikod kasi yung kama sa pinto ng room so di niya ko nakita. I closed the door, hindi niya namalayan. Para akong binuhusan ng malamig na tubig. I felt betrayed again. I was so madly in love with her before all these revelations. Now I just want to end this and move on. I can't do any confrontations anymore. I've seen enough.